going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing one of one AirPod replicas. I don't know why I have these. These have probably been laying around the house for a while, but I recently saw them and I thought to myself, why not give you guys an unboxing and a volume test or a sound test of one AirPod replicas. Maybe some of you guys may be interested in these, and if you can't actually buy real Apple AirPods, then these may be an alternative for you. So I thought, let me just give you guys an unboxing video and also a sound test, a volume test, show you guys what's in the box, and if you guys are interested, this is going to be the perfect video for you. Now here they are. First things first, unfortunately I can't give you guys too much information on these in terms of where they're from and the actual price, as I actually never knew I had these. I found these in the back of a drawer. But if you guys are interested in these, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to find out where these are from and the actual price of these. But from the top of my head, I know that these weren't more than around £50. That's the equivalent of around $60 in the US. But overall, the box quality is decent. I've seen a lot worse. So here's the box. First impressions of the box. Couple writings here. So AirPods with wireless charging case. So it looks all the same. I actually should compare these with my other AirPods, so I should actually get the original box and show you guys the difference or a little comparison. So here is a box of real Apple AirPods 3rd generation. So this box is much more sturdy, it's much more firmer compared to this box. If you guys see me squeeze this one, it doesn't really go down as much. If I squeeze this one, you can kind of see, hopefully you guys can kind of see that this one really goes down more. It's not as firm, not as sturdy. I think in size, well, these are 3rd generation, so the box is going to be a little bit bigger on the 3rd generation. Apple logo is on the same side here. AirPods, lightning charging case and MagSafe charging case. This is the fake, this is the real 3rd generation and 2nd generation, I believe. This is what is on the back of the box. They both say Apple made in California. Here's everything here, all the information here. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison of 3rd generation boxes, a real Apple AirPod box compared to the fake Apple AirPod box. Now let's get into the unboxing of it. I'll put these ones over here. So here it is. Here's the paperwork, designed by Apple in California. Take out what's inside of here. So nothing else is inside of here, I believe. Oh, if I can open it, yeah, nothing else is inside of there. Here's a little manual telling us how to connect it. Compatible with iOS still. I'll show you guys what's on the back. Here's the AirPods here. Let me take these out. So on the back it says, designed by Apple in. So on the back it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So on the back it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Here's everything here, wrapped in this same little plastic cover that you get on all your AirPods. Even though the plastic cover is still on it, the case feels okay. Feels definitely the same as my other 2nd generation AirPods. It does feel okay. The little charging socket here. So if I take this out here, now this is where you can actually tell the difference with this here. Once I took this out, I can definitely feel the fake and I feel the material. It doesn't feel as nice as the original AirPods. So once you get to this stage of taking this out to see your charging wire, this is going to be the differentiator of the real AirPods and the fake AirPods. So I put these over here. Definitely a cheaper material. You can even hear it there. Just doesn't feel as real. It's even very loose in the box as well, so that's when you can tell. You know, if I get into the wire, nothing else over here. Put this over here. I'm going to leave the wire over there and I'm going to go into opening up the AirPods, taking off this little plastic cover. There we go. Put that over there. Here we go. Green light here. Now I've had to put my other phone over here because when I was opening up the case, it was trying to connect to the phone that I'm recording on now. So if I open it up now, hopefully that stops and just tries to connect to this phone. So I can see over here that the serial number and this little information over here is written inside of the AirPods case. So exactly how it is on the real AirPods. Now if I take them out, everything feels okay. I can't really tell a difference in size compared to the real AirPods. The little R is on the AirPods still to tell you that this is for your right ear. The size, if I put this one back and take out the other one now, same thing over here, the little L to tell you that it's your left ear. So I put this one over here. Now if we close the case, you can see that the light does actually stay on for a while and then it turns off. Can't really tell if there's a little delay when the case opens. If we open it again, the light seems to turn on pretty fast. But if we close it now, I can see the little delay when the light turns off. So as you can see, it's still there for about 2 seconds after I've closed the case. I can't remember if that is actually how it's supposed to be. The little button here on the back to connect to your iPhone. Put this AirPod back inside. Leave that over there. Get into the charger. So take off these little straps. That easy to take off. Don't know what was happening there. So this is the old lightning cable, so USB-C to lightning. The wire does feel kind of cheap as well. It doesn't feel anywhere like the normal standard Apple wire, not even similar. It does kind of have this additional rubber feeling to it, not as smooth as the Apple wires. You can even see here on the Type-C that there's this little line coming through on the Type-C adapter. That isn't usual. If I get my other Type-C charger from Apple, so here's another Type-C adapter, which is real. You can see here that there's no lines going through the adapter part, but on this one there is. So that's a difference that you can tell. Line on the fake and no lines on the real ones. But overall, you can definitely tell a difference when it comes to the wire of the AirPods and also when you open up the box and what is actually holding the Apple AirPods. So those are the two major differences that you can spot compared to the real and the fake. Now we're going to go into the sound test and test out the sound for you guys. So let's do that now. So I'm going to play a little instrumental for you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it properly, but so this is a little instrumental that I have playing. I'm going to put it close to the speakers to see if you guys can hear the volume. Now if I listen to it, now they have no noise cancellation, but the volume is actually pretty loud. It is decent. I think if somebody was talking to me, I wouldn't really be able to hear them. So I'm just playing a little instrumental. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, especially the comparison between the real AirPods and the fake AirPods. I know that the real AirPods was the 3rd generation and the fake AirPods was the 2nd generation. I hope you guys were still able to tell the difference. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. And as always, it's been your boy Stats4K. Peace.